Hello! In this video I will show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on INFINIX Hot 30i. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Edge and click search. And now click install. Now click enable and click open. Here you can set your Microsoft Edge as your default browser, or you can click not now. Now you can customize your homepage, or you can click not now. Here you can sign in to sync your data, or you can click not now. And now you have to confirm your data and privacy settings. And now your Microsoft Edge is installed and ready to use, so that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.